In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ensure your Mailchimp campaigns actually reach your audience's inbox instead of getting lost in the dreaded junk folder. It's a familiar scenario. You spend hours crafting the perfect email only for it to end up unseen or unopened because it's been automatically filtered as spam. But not to worry, I'm here to guide you through some simple steps to help improve your email deliverability. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Mailchimp website and log into your account. It's a straightforward process. Start by typing in your username or email address in the designated field. Remember, this is the email or username you chose when you initially set up your Mailchimp account. Next, you'll need to enter your password. Take your time to ensure you've entered your credentials correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've filled in your login details, click the login button to access your Mailchimp dashboard. This is where the magic happens. From creating new campaigns to managing your audience, everything you need is right at your fingertips. Now that you're logged in, your first move should be to head over to the Audience tab. This is crucial because managing your audience effectively is key to ensuring your emails land where they're supposed to. Within the Audience section, you'll come across various options, but for now, you want to click on All Contacts. This is where you can see everyone who's currently subscribed to your email list. Next, within the same section, find and click on the Settings tab. This is often overlooked, but it holds important settings that can affect your email deliverability. From the Settings menu, select Audience Name and Defaults. This area allows you to manage essential details about your audience and how you communicate with them. One of the vital settings here is the Default from Email Address. This is the email address that your campaigns are sent from, and it plays a significant role in whether your emails are marked as spam. The email address you choose here should be recognizable to your audience to increase the likelihood of your emails being opened and read. This email should ideally be linked to your domain to add to your credibility and further reduce the chances of being filtered as spam. Why does this matter? Well, email providers like Gmail, Yahoo, or Outlook use sophisticated algorithms to filter out unwanted emails. An email coming from a domain that matches your brand or company name appears more trustworthy and is less likely to be flagged as spam. Let's take a moment to pause and consider the benefits of these adjustments. By making sure the default from email address is correctly set up, you not only improve your email deliverability, but also enhance your brand recognition. Whenever your subscribers see your email, they'll immediately recognize it, reinforcing their connection with your brand. But remember, improving email deliverability doesn't stop with setting the correct from email address. There are other practices you should consistently follow, such as regularly cleaning your email list of inactive subscribers and ensuring your content provides value to keep your engagement rates high. These measures, along with the adjustments we've discussed, create a solid foundation for reaching your audience effectively. In conclusion, email deliverability is a critical component of your email marketing strategy. By taking the time to log into your Mailchimp account and making these adjustments to your audience settings, you're taking a significant step towards ensuring your emails reach your subscribers' inboxes. Remember, it's not just about avoiding the junk folder, it's about maintaining and enhancing the relationship with your audience through effective communication. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. With these steps, you're well on your way to optimizing your Mailchimp campaigns for better email deliverability. Happy emailing.